paano ba? You just need to think na this is professional work. This is not a personal thing. Na parang isipin mo, you're here to work, not to bash or to be sensitive as a person. Kasi pag sensitive ka sa industry to, mapapagod ka talaga, maano ka talaga, maiinis ka, mababadrip ka na, you're working here, bakit mo ko gaganinan? No. You're working here kasi this is a professional job na eh. You're not a kid anymore na iisipin mo na inagawan ka ng candy. Hindi eh. You need to think na you're working for a specific job, not for them, dun sa mga taong nakakasalubungan mo. Pero, syempre, hindi may iwasan na that person na medyo awkward is higher than you. So, pag ganon, just yun nga, you just need to think na you're just working here. Hindi mo kailangan huwag ka magpasyadong pa-affecto. Ganun talaga yung show life.
So, ma'am, may we ask, do you like that kind of management style and environment dito nga po sa industry, lalo sa show business?
Yes. Kasi sobrang na-trained kami as professionals eh. Hindi kami na-trained as kid na nag-work. Hindi, alam mo yun, when you're in college, when you're doing thesis, nag-away-away kayo, magka-classmates kayo. Kasi you're thinking of your friendship, you're not thinking of the job that you're doing, the thesis that you're doing. And then, right here in this job, ganun din eh. Kung may gagawin kayo job, huwag niyong isipin yung friendship niyo. Kasi paglabas niyo sa opisina, pwede kayo maging magkakaibigan, magkwentuhan kayo ng iba. Pero pag nandito ka sa opisina, syempre kailangan mong isipin yung trabaho mo. Pwede ninyong isipin eh. Like us, we treat like we're family. Parang kami, we're five, and then we treat each other like sisters and brothers. Pero pag work, kahit napapagalitan kami, work pa rin. Kasi paglabas namin, hindi namin iisip yung trabaho. Iisip namin, magkakaibigan kami. Pero pag nasa loob, pag napagalitan, di mo pagalitan. Pag paglabas, wala. Ignore lang yun kasi iba naman yung work sa personal.
So, ma'am, nabanggit niyo po kanina na despite the challenges, you really love your job. So, ma'am, I hope you don't mind asking, pero why do you love your job?
Kasi it's fun job. Hindi, kasi nag-train ako ng very well. Not just my creative, hindi lang creative in terms of creative matters, but in terms of management. Medyo mahirap lang talaga kasi, diba, you're thinking when you're in office, you're just doing paperworks, ganyan. Kasi dito, labas-pasok eh. It's either you're outside or nasa loob ka. It's either na gumagawa ka ng paperworks o nag-iisip ka kung ano yung something na bago. Ganito yung work namin sa advertising and promotions. Hindi lang kami nagtatype, hindi lang kami nag-iisip ng something na bago, pero sumasama pa kami sa artista para lang mag-promote, double effort talaga. And that's what I really love in this job kasi hindi lang ikaw natatrain sa isang job, pero natatrain ka as a multitasker.
So yun, ma'am, that concludes our interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, girls.